Hi guys, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about Office add-ins. So what is Office add-ins? PowerPoint Online provides wonderful feature called Office add-ins by which you can access third-party plugins and you can actually add those third-party plugins into your PowerPoint. And you can use it for various purposes. There are various kind of plugins provided by this store and you can use those plugins for various kind of purposes. So let's see how you can add plugins to your PowerPoint. But before that, what plugins can do? Let me show you what plugins can do. Suppose you want to search something on Wikipedia or you want to grab some content from Wikipedia and you want to copy that content into your PowerPoint presentation slide. So you will go to Google or directly open Wikipedia and you will search on that Wikipedia page and you will find some results. So this is a very hectic process of going to website of Wikipedia and searching on that Wikipedia. But instead, if you add a plugin of that Wikipedia into your PowerPoint, then you can right away search into your PowerPoint without going to Wikipedia website. So let's see how you can add Office add-ins into your PowerPoint. You can add add-ins by going to this insert menu and you will find this add-in section and you will see this icon. Click on to this icon and it will open up one pop-up where you can find your on added plugins, or if you don't have any plugins, you can go to Office Store. So let's open our store where you can find various kind of plugins and you can download it. So these are all the plugins related to PowerPoint. For example, this one is Khan Content from Microsoft. So this is a Khan Academy's plugin. It provides various online video tutorials as well. This is Power BI tiles. This is stock tiles. You can also find calculator. If you don't find plugin which you want, then you can just search it here like Wikipedia. So I guess Wikipedia is not available. I'm selecting these best apps of the year. Pick it presentation images. These plugins will provide images you can select. So I'm going into different categories and selecting this Khan Content from Microsoft. So to add this plugin, you can click on to this Trust It button and this plugin will be added to your presentation. So as you can see, this plugin is added to this slide. I am just resizing this plugin's size. So let's go to this slideshow and let's see how it looks like in our presentation. It seems like some error is occurred. There is no content in Khan Academy app. So I guess this is the app error. Let's add some another app. So I'm adding new slide and go to these Office add-ins and let me select some another app. So I'm selecting this search and I'm adding these Shutterstock images to my presentation. And click on to this Trust It button and as you can see, one new window is open on right side. Now let me search into this search bar. I want some photos of computer. I will write computer and click on to this search button and here it is. All the computer related images are there. So click on to particular images and if you want to try this image, then you can click on to this try image button, or you can also purchase this image. So I'm just trying it, and let's see what happens with this image. So as you can see, this image is added to my slide. I'm just closing this Shutterstock plugin and I'm resizing this image. It has Shutterstock watermark because it is not purchased image, but you can use it. So this is how you can add various kind of third-party plugins into your presentation and you can use it. So this is about Office add-ins. Thank you very much.